and yeah, it is my first YouTube video. Today we are going to learn about self-confidence. So, like, very general thing about confidence is nobody know if it's real. So you know what? You can fake. Yeah, like, be confident. If you know nothing, you're like, yeah, I know. You just maintain this attitude of yours, and people will be like, oh my god, she's that girl. So you have to maintain this. But I'm gonna say a few tips and tricks to be really confident. Okay, not just fake ones and all. To be really confident. So let's start the video, and I promise it's not going to be that boring principal lecture and all, like how we get to listen in our schools and all, how to become confident, point number 1, point number 2. No, not like that. Something we're going to learn in a fun way. Okay, let's start. So yeah, confidence starts from yourself. That is self-awareness. So you have to be aware of yourself, like what are your strengths and what are your weakness. Like let's say something which you're very good at and something which you're not good at, and when you get the opportunity, make sure if you're good at, grab the opportunity. Don't be like, no, I'm shy, what are people gonna say, what are they gonna say. No, nobody will say anything, and even if they say, who cares? You don't care about them. And if there is something like you're not good at, I wouldn't say to total deny the opportunity, but take a step back, like give it a try, but not as much as you would focus on your positive ones. So make sure this is there. And next we are gonna go into, you'll see it here. And next is set small goals. And when you want to show up yourself, like you want to do this thing, don't just be in a hurry. Do something like just take little steps. So okay, if you want to speak, you want to get into public speaking, make sure that if you're like at the beginning, set small goal. Like once I would be able to talk around 5 people or like small group of people. Then you just increase your population. Like you just increase it. Like first I'll just speak with my closest friend, like my best friend, and then I'll speak with a group of friends or like family gathering, and then I'll go into auditorium like in a college or something. So set your goal small. Like eventually you have to increase it. You couldn't be like, oh, for the first time I know nothing and I just go, I'll take the mic from the stage and I'll start speaking. No, that's not gonna happen. Sometimes it might happen, but not mostly. And the next is the most important one, positive self-talk. Like I would say earlier, even I was like this. I used to degrade myself in front of people I like my friends. I used to say, if I wear that, are you gonna look horrible? If I'm gonna do that, what will people think about me? No, don't talk about yourself like that in front of people. Talk positively. I can actually rock that. I can do that. You maintain this thing, okay? You shouldn't be like, oh, what are people gonna think? You yourself should be like, people around you should feel like, oh my god, she is like that girl. That girl aesthetic. Yeah, you have to be that girl. You have to not be like, oh, that girl. Yeah. Okay, so the next thing you're gonna talk about is learn and improve. Make sure, like, if you are like thinking to pursue a skill, make sure there are few individuals who are excel at this. So you just learn from them, and once you learn, you try to improve yourself. So first time you could be like really low, oh my god, this is not gonna happen. Slowly we'll learn. And same thing, I think I could apply it on my YouTube journey. I would say it is my initial one, but slowly I'm gonna learn, I'm gonna improve, I'm gonna learn from many other influencers or YouTube creators and all. So yeah, you have to learn and improve simultaneously. But don't just be like, no, I can't learn, it's like too hard, I'm gonna give up. See, I know that honestly my video is not perfect, and it might get a hate, or it might get a little love. Who knows? Nobody knows, right? So you have to learn and improve. Don't give up in the middle. Okay, see, the next one is you have to take care of your body. Make sure you do exercise, make sure you drink a lot of water, maintain your diet and all. Okay, I would agree, I'm not so good at it, but you know what, I'm gonna learn, and you too will learn. It's okay, we will learn. It's not, we can't do. We will do it, we'll maintain our diet, we'll make sure what goes in our body, we'll do exercise and everything we can do. Okay. And the next one is dress well. This is like most misunderstood topic of being confident. Like many people say you have to be a certain way to be confident. No, I wouldn't say like you have to be like completely revealing or completely like sanskari one. No, it's it's not. If you want to be however you be, but make sure you are comfortable in it. Make sure like you just don't do this. No. You don't do that. You have to be like, no, I am rocking this outfit. This outfit is looking 10 on 10 on me. You have to maintain this thing, okay? You don't be like, no, I wish I would have worn some other dress today. No, you are perfect. You are 10 on 10. You are amazing in this dress, and nobody is gonna tell anything about you. Make sure you be, I am goddess, I am princess. Yeah, you are. And the next one is face your fears. Okay, by this I don't mean that you have to fight with something which you are really afraid of, or you have to expose yourself which you are really afraid of. No, you have to not do that. What you have to do is, so let's say I have height phobia. Now, facing my fear doesn't mean I'm going to go on the top of a hill and jump from there. No, that is not facing my fear. But what at least I can do is I can go to a water park and have that ride, like the biggest ride it will be there now, the height one. At least I can try that, right? I have to face my fears, and eventually, who knows, I could even jump from a hill. That's not gonna happen, but yeah, who cares? Who knows, right? And the next one is seek feedback. Okay, many people, they take it in a wrong way, seek feedback, and they be like, oh, she's saying this is not looking good at me, I'm not gonna wear that again. No, that's not what feedback is. You have to take feedback from the people who are, at really good position. Okay, she has, achieved something in her life. You take her feedback. Of if there is somebody, who's like nothing. I don't mean to disrespect them, but you make sure like whose feedback you're taking and in which way you're taking. Is it making good for you, or is it something it's making really horrible? Then just don't take. But make sure the feedback you take from people are worthy enough for that. Okay, like me. So the next one is celebrate your achievements. Okay, so what we have to do in this is, like, let's suppose I just I spoke really well at a public gathering or something like that, and now I have to celebrate it. It's like so important. Like, just to celebrate, I don't have to be like throw a big party at my house, call 10 of my friends, full alcohol and something, we're gonna chill. No, we're not gonna do that. Celebrate is like, it's okay if you do that, but make sure your achievements are also that big. So if I just made some small achievement, I would like bring a small cake or even a small cupcake, or I would treat something, or I would make something for me or something. But I have to celebrate. I have to make sure that I am happy, because all that I'm doing is for myself. And the next one is body language. Make sure that your body, what's this here doing? Let it be. So the next one is body language. Body language, you don't have to be like when jogging, you be like this. You don't have. This is not body language. First of all, you have to be like mindful. Like, what am I doing? And honestly speaking, the body language isn't something which you're conscious about. Like, if you're really confident, you get it as such. But you do one help for me. You just tell me in comments, like, am I confident or am I faking this body language? Now I'm faking, but what I was doing from long back. Okay. So yeah, that is it. Make sure to apply all of these in your daily life, and slowly you will truly observe changes in yourself. You will slowly gradually be confident of yourself. And honestly, frankly, I'm telling, I'm not confident. I'm not the most confident girl, the popular girl in school or colleges. No, I'm not that. I'm just like that introvert, invisible girl, you could say. I'm that girl. But it's completely fine. We are gonna learn. It's like I am still in my 20s. Like, there is a long way to go. So yeah, I'm gonna learn, and make sure you just give the honest feedback. I just want to be honest. And yeah, that is it. Make sure you like, share and subscribe, like everybody says. And yeah, that's it. Bye bye.